man's mule is parked outside the bar, where a man with missing fingers plays a strange guitar, and the German dwarf dances with the butcher's son, and the little rain never hurt no one. They're dancing on the roof, and the ceiling's coming down. I sleep with my shovel and my leather gloves, and the little rain never hurt no one. The world is round, and so I'll go around. You must risk something that matters. My hands are strong. I'll take any man here, if it's worth the going, if it's worth the ride. She was 15 years old and never seen the ocean. She climbed into a van with a vagabond, and the last thing she said was, "I love you, Mum." And the little rain never hurt no one.